Hello everyone and welcome to week 8. Firstly, sorry for the lateness in getting your activities up this week. I've been a bit pressed for time with a few things happening in my family life. This week, what we're looking at is we're moving out of the realm of self and into that of others through collectivism rather than individualism. So a different perspective on the way of looking at learning. We're going to look at how do we relate to others, how can we help each other, how are our behaviours and understandings influenced by various social and cultural expectations placed upon us in our worlds and environments. When asked questions about nature versus nurture, we're going to look at those adopting a social cultural perspective will lean strongly towards the nurture response and why this is so. Also, just while we're looking at this week's activities, think about that socio-cultural understandings in an education context will also ensure authentic and respectful collaborations between children, teachers, families and communities, as well as actively seek ways to ensure that this collaboration takes place. Children, we know, learn in partnerships with families and communities, not just in the educational context. There are 3 different activities this week that you are required to take part in, which are up on the discussion board. A couple of things to remember this week is that your second assessment is due 9 a.m. on Friday morning. Also, the date for collaboration for assessment 3 is Tuesday the 17th of May at 7:30 p.m. And just on top of everything else of getting your assessment in and looking at this week's activities, you also need to start thinking about forming groups of 3 to 4 people. I've put that up in the ELA question and answer for assessment 3 for you to start putting your names down into groups. If you haven't done so by Friday week, I will allocate you into a group. So, have a great week. Enjoy the rain. It's been fantastic. We've had a couple of inches up here in Deniliquin, which is great. And I hope to see you all on the discussion board during the week. Thank you.